Hi, I saw that you visited my Facebook page and took interest onto the uploads. Very nice to know that you are one of those enlightened citizens who take great interest into your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, and you took interest on my valuable uploads on my social media. In today's times, when everybody is greatly pressurized by the circumstances and the problems around us, it's very important for us to take right kind of decisions which may keep us happy, contented, and maintain most fulfilling relations around us. This will give us huge buzzing moments which will make our life enjoyable, livable to the best of its ultimate capabilities. So if you really want to experience this kind of a lifestyle, stay till the end of this video. A little about me. I'm Nutan Nakra, wife of a very aggressive, hardworking entrepreneur, mother of two wonderful children, very, very polite and disciplined. And I am passionate about taking care of the humanity around. And I look after dogs and birds and squirrels all around my house, love to take charge of them and take care of the huge garden around me. So this is about my passions. Regarding what I am today, thankfully, all due to the passions that I have and the magnificent qualification that I have. Now, I'm an Arfeen Khan certified international coach, and I'm a part of a huge organization which is spread over 43 countries, and the system is used again and again. It is time tested for 25 years, researched, and then come to conclude to this. And we have wonderful, magnificent tools which are actually able to generate results which are very, very satisfying. Uh, Coaches are required in the society today because of so many reasons. Now, some of the reasons that I would like to bring to your notice would be that people in the family are not able to understand each other's behavior and they are falling apart and their communication is lacking and they're drifting apart. Parents are not able to understand that why their children behave weirdly, although they are their loved ones. Love in the love marriages is fading away, and couples fail to understand why. People are not able to take right kind of decisions, calculative ones, and that actually take them to a different path of their destiny, because decision once taken takes you to your that part of your destiny. A lot of dissatisfactions and frustrations result in a person due to which they feel stuck in life and they really don't know how to move ahead. We are not able to understand our own needs and cannot understand why we feel low, feel like crying, unnecessarily shouting, and that actually affects the relation with the other people around us. Exceptionally violent behavior sometimes, or sometimes some people around us, our loved ones, they start getting withdrawn from each other. So that not taking interest, not sharing, withdrawals, all these are also abnormal behaviors. At an early age only, the child should be able to take right kind of decisions which will take them to their passionate professions. So I'm sure you understand what I am aiming at. I want that every human being should be taking good care of their mental, social, financial independence and self-sufficiency. Now, the system I have is actually magical, and actually, it's worked on lakhs of people all around the globe. It has worked on professionals, business entrepreneurs, housewives, senior citizens, adolescents, teenagers, even Bollywood stars. Hrithik Roshan, Arfeen Khan had coached Hrithik Roshan. So I myself have personally coached people from all age groups for the reasons of their emotional problems. So my offer here is that you go down to the calendar level. There is a link you will find, and let's connect over Zoom. And I need 45 minutes for a meeting in which I'll be able to make you understand why the problem is there, how can it be dealt, and how can your future be made 10 is to 10 in the mental, social, spiritual, physical, all around. So, bye for now, and I'm hoping to hear from you soon so that we are able to reach to the best of our life potentials. Take care. Bye bye.